Hey, what's up, beautiful people? Thank you so much again for stopping by to the team brand. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing by clicking on that red subscribe button. Take a minute to turn on the notification bell. That is the only way you're going to be notified each time I upload a new video. According to the title of our video today, I want to have a general discussion like, can you come to Qatar for free? And I want to be very honest about this, guys. Really very honest. And I want us to have a good mindset together so that we can talk about this. Life generally coming to Qatar, the procedures, the struggle, the effort to get a job in Qatar, at least to change your life and make both ends meet and see the light at the end of the tunnel is a process. It's not easy. A lot of people are being scammed along the way. There's a lot of cheating going on, scams. There's a lot of false promises. There's a lot of heartbreaks going on when you talk about coming to Qatar or generally flying abroad. But posing that question, like I've seen it severally, people telling me that, bro, can I come to Qatar for free? Or how can I come to Qatar for free? Or can you bring me to Qatar for free? Somebody don't have a passport. Somebody don't have a good conduct. Somebody don't have even a birth certificate is thinking about flying outside. I want to ask you a very honest question. Where you are, for example, you are in Nairobi. Can you go to Mombasa for free? Somebody to pay for you a bus fare, go there and give you a job, pay you salary. Can it happen? I'm not ruling out that you can come to Qatar for free. There's a lot of people who have come to Qatar without using a dam, without using any money, without paying anything. But I want us to talk reality. Coming to Qatar for free is nothing other than luck. You just have good luck. But in reality, going out of Kenya and coming to Qatar free is insane. It's not going to happen that often. Can you come from Nigeria, go to Ghana, work for free? Somebody pay you air ticket, somebody pay you bus ticket or train ticket if there is train, give you work, a good job, pay you. It's not possible, guys. It's total luck. And when somebody is bringing you for free, think twice. Free things are not good. This is why our ladies are being trapped. Somebody, like gets money from, for example, Saudi Arabia. Good money, really good money. He's being told, like, bring me 40 ladies to work as house girl. This person is not going to tell you, like, you're going to work as a house girl. He's going to cheat you. You're going to work as a waiter. I will provide that passport. Give me your ID, give me your birth certificate. I'm going to give you the passport. He processes you the passport. He takes you some shitty training in a hall. And then you're trained. Then you're ferried to Saudi Arabia. You're being sold as a slave. Why? Because you opted to do it for free, or somebody do it for free. If you will have taken effort, look for some money, go through the right channel, get a job that you are assured of. Come on, wait, even security, and you know the company where you're going to, you will not have ended yourself in that place. So free things come with consequences. There are good free things that comes out of luck, purely luck. Ukona bahati, but it's not going to be hard. Mostly to fly to Qatar, at least a fare agent will ask you for 80,000 Kenyan shillings, 90,000 Kenyan shillings. Then the normal agencies who is doing business will ask you 130,000 Kenyan shillings. And the best way, if that agent is genuine, I'm not saying that these agents that do this are not genuine, pay after you see that visa. A lot of agencies don't do that. They ask you for a registration, some damp shit things, which is not good at all. But at least if you have trust on this and the agency is good and it takes you through all those processes, nothing comes easy. You have no option but to pay it and follow the process, and you're going to land yourself a good job. That is what I believe. So clear off that mentality. And if you want to go fly somewhere, before even you ask that question, take your time and know how can you get a passport. Because flying out of Kenya, you need a passport. Make yourself ready. Look for passport. look for your things that you need to fly with, apply for good conduct, then start asking people about how can you come to Qatar. Somebody can ask me like, bro, advise me on to come to Qatar. I ask you, do you have a passport? No. Why you ask me these questions? First ask me like, how can I get a passport? I will tell you. And guys, there's some people who get subscribed, like you're so surprised how much is a passport. A passport is only less than 5,000 Kenyan shillings. And you pay it online. A passport is not 50,000. People think a passport is something very expensive. There's one time somebody texted me, we were chatting, and I was like, you can get a passport, just go apply online. He said like, no, if you apply a passport, it's too expensive. I told him it's only 4,500 something or 4,700 if it has not changed. And he was like, no, I'm lying. Passport is that very cheap, unless you want to go bribe some people to cheat you, give you this passport. No, just pay it, forget about it, follow the procedures, go to the Nyayo house or anywhere where you're watching me from, and the passport is going to come. It doesn't matter, it takes in 2 months. After 2 months, now decide like, I have a passport, let me now ask on how I can come to Qatar. But if you want to come for free, continue wanting continue persuading people to take you to Qatar for free, which is never going to happen. And I know sometimes it's financial problems, you don't have money. We all didn't have money when we were coming to Qatar. If you can get somebody to loan you, if you can get a merry-go-round to loan you, a circle to loan you, you can pay this money. If you come here with an assured job, just take time, follow the right procedure. You're going to get a right job, you're going to get a right agency, and you're going to land here, get your salary and pay the money back. But if you want to come for free, it is going to take really a long time. Anyway, I wanted to address you only that, guys, today. So if you're new to our channel, kindly do subscribe by hitting on that subscribe button. I'm really going to appreciate. See you in our next video. I love you guys. Bye.